Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use this reference bubble tool that I created. So what this tool does is basically select an elevation and then it will know the profiles at the mullion locations, and right now it bubbles ahead, still, left jam, right jam, um, but I want to eventually have it where it does more. But just to show you, you go to reference bubbles, and it does take maybe 15-20 seconds to load because it has to go through all of the drafting views, because that's how it knows which reference bubble to put. So once it's loaded, it's done. Looking through the drafting views, you just select the elevation, hit finish, and if there's multiple details that could be with that profile, you select which one. So then I'll select the head here. I'll select the left jam here. And you see, I have these bubbles now.